And really this conversation comes from an intention, which I'd love to chat to you about your desire to take your countless bookmarks, the saved PDFs, the YouTube watch list that you're going to say and watch later, the things that we never come back to, but along our trail fascinated us. And so how, 10, 20, 30 years in of living in this multimedia environment as a curious being, do we actually bring an aggregate, we bring all these pieces together and bring a summation that's not just interesting to us, but I think functional. How can it actually have an output which interacts with a new realm of data, which AI is bringing, the semantic web, virtual reality, Web3, all these kind of things, the IoT, Internet of Things, bridging the digital into the physical. It's an entirely new realm. And I think these salient frustrations, the scratch the itch, like, I really need to get all my data. Why is it coming up now? I think it's an instinct in us because we know that now is the time when we have the technology to actually make it useful, and not only useful to us personally, but it's going to have an ecosystem that it can start to interact with through this new layer of the AI web, of whatever technology is to come. So that's my summation, but I'd love to also throw to you,